Wow, well, this is a little bit nicer this morning. Welcome back to GP Outdoors. We're going to try to finish up that log pile in Guy's yard. We got most of it done, or at least we got all of the bolts that were bucked, split and stacked, and it was about 2 face cord, a little over. And we just hung it out between rainstorms yesterday. But we've still got several maple logs there that need to be bucked, split, and stacked. So we're going to try to get that done before the next fall, which is going to be around 1 o'clock today. You folks saw that I got the saws, both of them, all cleaned up and sharpened yesterday. I actually decided not to touch the rakers at all. I think the last time I sharpened both of them, I took those rakers down a little too much because although they were cutting great, I was getting huge chips, but especially that 462, boy, it was fighting me in every log. I guess a little too aggressive for me. So I'm just gonna leave it today, see how they cut without touching them, and then try to work myself back to that sweet spot I had last year. So if you got a little bit of time on a beautiful sunny day, I hope you'll stick around with us. Let's head over to Guy's. I'll see you there. Cheers. Not only is it quick, but it is noticeably stronger than the old one, even though I loved the old one. And both Guy and I had to throttle down because at full throttle, this thing just blows through the wood like you wouldn't believe. It's incredibly fast. So I think until we get a little more comfortable with it, we're just going to keep it dialed down kind of to the speed of the old one. And then as I get a little more experience on it, we'll crank it back up again because she speeds through the wood like nobody's business. Oh man. Andrew, I think I just got an immediate appreciation for this bracket. I think I'm going to start surfing online to try to find a big canopy to hang in it. What a day. Geez, that humidity was a blockbuster again today. But we got her done. It's not even noon yet. I got here just after 10 o'clock and we've already pulled 4 trailer loads into that shed. So that would be about almost 1 1/3 bush cord. That axis, that's fast. And I mean fast. Last trailer full. Big mess for Guy. We've only got 2 more bolts to split up. But hey, I'll make a little bet with you. I will bet you that in about 5 or 6 weeks, Guy will have this cleaned up and a full, beautiful green lawn right through this whole area again like he used to have last summer. And then we'll just start trailering in from around the corner into the side of the woodshed like we used to. And we'll get this axis positioned out in the forest, right out in a clearing beside the target range, so we can haul those or skid those logs out to the trail, buck them and split them into trailers and bring them up here. I think that's a wrap. Both of us are soaked through from head to toe, so we're going to head into the wood shop for a little bit, cool off, and then I think once this rain passes, we might head out on the lake today. Thanks again for sticking around, and Andrew, thanks again for the updated axis. It is phenomenal. Have a great week with your families. Please be kind to one another, and I'll see you again right here. I'm Gord Potter, and you've been watching GP Outdoors. Cheers.